Yo, it's Spoon on K14 Live. It's cold now. You feel me? Got that style up. Vlogs for the fall season. You feel me? Cause the leaves is already falling off the trees. You know, I'm not gonna record for too long. Because then hold up. Alright, I'm back. I'm not gonna show y'all that again because I already recorded that. But my phone is not fully charged, so and I still gotta edit videos. So I'm going somewhere to edit the videos. You feel me? I think I'm gonna go that way. Cause last time I went this way, I'm gonna go that way. So I can just come back this way, come back from that way. Alright. Alright. Last time I was recording, it was about to be nighttime. But this is just gonna be like, you feel me? In that video, because my phone, like I said, my phone is low percentage, and I need to edit my video. So I'm gonna go that way. Nah, I'm gonna go that way, down. But I was saying before it cut off. I'm climbing down. This to a lot of tree branches and shit. Stuff like that. Climbing down and shit. It's not even gonna be that hot. I just got wind till them cars pass by. I'm gonna go that way, but this is the end of the video because I'm already told y'all that I gotta edit a bunch of videos. I'm gonna catch y'all later. But but bridge. I'm across the bridge. That bridge. These type of vlogs, I know y'all miss these type of vlogs. I remember that first time. I have videos of me crossing this, but it's not like, it's like I gotta go on my monitor to recover it. I need to edit. I can edit though. I'm cover those jinx. Alright, I'm back. This the fit. Y'all already know I like black. You feel me? I like wearing blackish stuff like that. Having record the video that I was talking about, I was like, you feel me? Me recording on this, you feel me? It was a similar fit like this, but I was wearing white tee. But I'm wearing a white tee right now. But I was wearing like, I don't know what hat I was wearing, but my phone is on low percent. And I told you I already got to edit, but I want to have extra clips for the new vlog because I need to get back into nature. Feel me? So there's gonna be the extra clip. I said I was gonna end it, but look what I'm at, bro. I just gotta, you feel me, have y'all, you feel me, staring at this, bro. You feel me? Some content, my content back over there. I remember I walked over there too, but hold on. It's so fun. But buried inside this sand. It's like I'm on a beach. Cause beaches be like this anyways. And then it be water. But I'm get to the park and edit the videos. This is for real the end of the video because I got my phone on 9%. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I'm out. I said it was the end. I'm just like recording like a little clips. I mean like at this part, you know. I'm walking in wet grass, bro.